Lionfish, belonging to the genus Turwa, are a group of venomous marine fish native to the Indo-Pacific region. These fish are characterized by their striking appearance, featuring bold stripes and long, showy pectoral fins. They possess venomous dorsal, pelvic, and anal spines, which are used for defense against predators. These spines contain a potent neurotoxin that can cause severe pain, swelling, and even paralysis in humans. Their coloration varies depending on the species, but commonly, lionfish are adorned with bold red, brown, and white stripes, which serve as camouflage among coral reefs and rocky crevices. One of the most distinctive features of lionfish is their long, flowing pectoral fins, which resemble the mane of a lion, hence their name. These fins are used for both locomotion and display during courtship rituals. Lionfish have a fan-like tail fin, which they use for precise maneuvering and sudden bursts of speed when hunting prey or evading predators. Their large, protruding mouths enable them to engulf prey items whole, often including small fish, crustaceans, and even smaller lionfish. Lionfish rely on their venomous spines as a primary defense against predators, deterring potential threats with the threat of painful stings. Their striped coloration provides effective camouflage among the colorful coral reef habitats where they are commonly found, allowing them to ambush prey while remaining relatively hidden from predators. Lionfish are opportunistic predators, capable of consuming a wide variety of prey, which contributes to their success as invasive species in regions outside their native range. Some species of lionfish are known to be more active during nighttime, taking advantage of reduced predation risk and potentially accessing different prey species that are active during the dark hours. Lionfish exhibit high reproductive rates, with females producing large numbers of buoyant eggs that drift in the water column before hatching. This reproductive strategy increases the chances of successful reproduction and dispersal of offspring. During courtship, male lionfish often engage in elaborate displays using their long, flowing pectoral fins. These displays may involve fluttering or undulating movements to attract females. Both male and female lionfish can exhibit changes in coloration during courtship, with males sometimes displaying darker, more vibrant colors to impress potential mates. Male lionfish may engage in chasing behavior to pursue females and establish dominance within their territory. This behavior can also serve as a means of courtship, with males attempting to persuade females to mate. Once a pair of lionfish has established a courtship bond, they may perform a nuptial dance, swimming together in synchronized movements. This behavior helps to reinforce their bond and synchronize their reproductive activities. Lionfish are adaptable to a range of environmental conditions, including different water temperatures, salinities, and depths. This adaptability has contributed to their ability to thrive in diverse marine habitats, from coral reefs to mangrove forests. Lionfish have a relatively long lifespan compared to many other fish species, with individuals in the wild reported to live up to 15 years or more. Lionfish have demonstrated remarkable dispersal abilities, facilitated by their buoyant larvae and extensive ocean currents. As a result, they have been able to colonize new territories rapidly, spreading across thousands of kilometers from their original native range.